Kia ora te whānau. This is the very first live video I've done on YouTube before. We'll see if we get any viewers. I just wanted to share with you a little training course that I've put together finally. It's a pronunciation course. Now I get a lot of feedback from people saying that pronunciation is one of the hardest things that they struggle with, and it's one of the things that holds them back a lot too, because they don't want to be heard being wrong. They don't want to say wrong things to people that, native speakers that might pull them up on things. So I put together a bit of a training course. The link will be down in the description if you want to check it out. It starts off going through all of the Māori alphabet as a bit of a review to start with. So you go over all the consonants, go through all the vowels. We cover those tricky words, the tricky letters, or dipthongs as we call them, the ng sound. A lot of people struggle with ng, so we go through a few little fun strategies on how to get the ng sound right, especially when you go nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu, how to get those sounds right, get the wh sound right, the f sound, and of course the t's, because a t is not just a t in te reo Māori. It's pronounced a little bit differently depending on the word that comes after it, so we go over that as well. We cover the short vowels and the long vowels. You would have seen some vowels that come with a little squiggly line over the top of them, called a macron, so we cover that. On top of that, we put all that into tables that you can quickly download, and you have them there as a reference as well. Go through a couple or a little trick on how to say the double vowels properly. Now that's really where it starts to get tricky, where you've got to say words like that have AU or OU or UO or IA, all those double vowels. That's where people get caught up. So that's a little trick on how to say those properly. And then that gets expanded out into how to say the words that have more than two vowels. There's some that have 3 vowels and 4 vowels, some that even have 5 vowels in a row, which can be really tricky for people to cover. There's a little strategy in there on how to actually say the longer words in te reo Māori a lot more effectively, and how you can break them down into simple structures. So we cover that. And then we go through some of the trickier words in te reo Māori and how to actually say those, just as a bit of a demonstration for pronunciation. So it's all it'll be on the link down below. It's the first sort of training I've put together that sort of lives on its own little website, which is pretty cool. So it's free. You can just jump on, click the link and get access to it. It's delivered via video on I guess slides, so you'll have full access to all the slides as well. There's a few links in there. The page is pretty cool. You can scroll down and start clicking on some words and actually hear the words being spoken by a native speaker, not me. So you can hear how they're actually pronounced properly. So that's it. Just thought I'd jump on for YouTube Live for the very first time, and I thought I'd just share this course with you. So check it out down in the comments below or the description below, and let me know how you go with it. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your feedback. All right, good night.